students, welcome back again with one more new session of Adobe Spark Post. Today, we will be learning how we can create beautiful posters using templates to give different effects and how we can share them on social media. Now, students, let's start with Spark Post app. Now, first of all, we need to open this app. As soon as you open the app, students, which you have already installed in your mobiles, you will be getting the screen like this. We are having few tabs at the top like featured, collage, seasonal, lifestyle, and so on. Now, whichever type of post you want to create or you want to edit, you have to click on that type of post. We are having so many templates in this Adobe Spark Post app, and all the templates are available here on my screen. First of all, I need to click on the plus sign, and then if you want to add a background, so you can even search for any type of background. For example, I am going to search for the background as scenery. Now it will take some time based on your network speed. Now I am getting so many type of scenery type of backgrounds. You can choose any of the backgrounds whichever you want. For example, I have chosen one and then click on add one. Now once you have clicked on add one, you will get a background like this. Now it is asking you to choose the size. We are having so many type of sizes, like I am having the size which Instagram, like I am having the size of Instagram story, portrait, landscape, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. So whichever type of post you want to share on your social media, you can take that type of size for your poster. So I am just going to take the original one. So my poster will get changed to that particular size, and then click on done. Once you click on done, now it will give you the access to simply change the text format. Now double clicking on the text one, here you can have your own text. For example, I am writing over here. If I click on edit, then it will allow me to add my own text. So I am going to type here beautiful scenery. Now it has come. By dragging the borders and by taking it anywhere, I can have it like this. And then here you can have the font, whichever font you want. You can even change the font. For example, I am taking this font. You can take any of the font of your choice. Clicking on the color tab will simply change the color. It will provide you with so many colors. You can choose any of the colors of your choice like this. Like right now I am choosing the colors this way. Even you can tilt the text also by clicking on the drag button or the rotate button this way. Even I can have the custom option also, hex. You can have any of the colors like this. And then once the color is chosen, you can click on done. Then I am having the effects option, students. Effects option will simply give you the options of this way. Like if I click on the ABC inside a circle, it will come in this manner. If I click on this one, I'm having different effects. And then if I click on the adjust option, then adjust also, it will allow me to rotate my text in this manner. I can rotate it. Size, if you want to increase or decrease the size of your text, so it will get increase or decrease by dragging the borders. Alignment, where you want to place your text, right on the right hand side or on the in the center like this. If you want it in this manner, the curved manner, this manner, great. Whichever size you want, you can have it in that manner. Clicking on the spacing tab will allow you to give a space between the letters. Like if you want to give a space between the alphabets, then you can have it in this manner. See, I'm just dragging the borders, dragging the things, and then the changes are applied onto that. And then once all the changes has been done, you can simply click on the done button. Next we come on to the add option. When I click on the add option, if I want to add any more text, then again it will allow me to add one more text. So here I am typing like happy birthday I have typed, and then click on. So I can have one more text like this. Even I can have the image. If I want any of the images, you can have any of the images from here. Choose it and click on add one. Clear? So it will get added like this. Then if you want to crop it, it will be cropped according to your, this way it will get cropped. I am having so many shapes. This way. Then if I come to the looks option, it will give you different filters whichever you want to apply onto your image. So that also is possible. See. Now the next is, if I want to, now click on done. Now next is the animation. Like animation means it will simply animate your text. First of all, choose the text which you want to animate and then click on the animation option. So it will come in this manner. This one, if I want to animate this text, there are so many animations available. You can click on any of the animations and then you can apply it easily on your text. Click on done. Layout, if you want, students, if you like layout also, we can change. We can even give the borders to our posters in this manner. We can give the borders. We can even change the colors. We are having so many color options. We can have the background colors change like this. See. Design, whichever designs you want. I am having so many design templates. You can have the design of your choice. This way we can change the design. This way. And then once you are finished, you can click on done. Again, resize will give you the different options for resizing your social post. Once you are done with everything, then you can simply click on done option for the changes to be applied. Now if I click on this play button, I can see the animations for my text. I hope this is clear, students. And now if you can see one down arrow button at the top. If you click on that button, it will simply ask you to save this in your gallery. You can even save this in the form of an image or in the form of a video also. And you can even share it with your friends or relatives or family through your social media like WhatsApp, on Facebook, or on somewhere else in the social media platform. So I hope the things are clear to you, students. Have a good day. Goodbye.